I'm on the R&D committee for my industry organization, and this topic came up, the state of collaborative robotics and how it applies to our industry. We're the first to do an adaptive use collaborative robot for trimming.
The three things with the cobot, in my mind, it's cost, number one, easy to run, easy to program, and it's a cell manufacturing dream. The UR robot is mounted from the top. It's on a gantry. You can actually take that gantry and you can pick it up along with the table that the fixture sits on. You bring in a CNC and you gotta bring in 480. Now what? Now you gotta hire an electrician. Here, if you got 110, you plug it in, you're ready to go. The way that the cobot is set up is the arm is hanging down, so you're taking pressure off the joints. Once you put the router heads on, one is a standard router and one is a little bit larger router. That you can put a saw blade on. We can make a simple round cut that trims just the top of the part, or we can use a saw blade on the secondary and we can trim integral cuts and be very accurate. You can do 2 parts at a time, possibly 3. You just have to have the right setup based on your bed. You can trim a part that's 2 inches or 60 inches. You can basically program this robot with an iPad. And as long as you understand the teach pendant part of it, where you can move it from point to point to point, once you do it once, you can do it again. And it just becomes easier and easier. If I bought a regular CNC, regular robot, I'm gonna spend thousands of dollars training that person, not knowing if they're gonna be here tomorrow.
My training process was a year and a half ago, and I thought that it would be complicated, but it's not. The online classes were very easy to understand, so if you have a computer, it's really easy to play with the tools that they provide in every training. Now the robot is here. I can practice every day. For example, changing tools and make new programs.
It would be foolish for other processors not to consider adding this to their operation. They'd be really missing out on a smart business decision.